If you will look at the author that the article I co-authored with James Sinclair, who's a physicist, in the Blackwell Companion for Natural Theology, those very theories that you talk about, pre-Big Bang cosmology, loop quantum gravity, those are all discussed in that article. And Vilenkin discusses them too, and they are not successful models of a past eternal universe.
How do you know?
They won't work.
How do you know that?
Because of the scientific articles that have been published on them. For example,
what about the scientific articles that have been published, in fact, that there are meetings on that talk about an eternal bounce universe? You think all those scientists just happen to like it, and they go to work and work on this because they have some inner belief that the universe is eternal, and they don't mind that it's inconsistent mathematically? That's nonsense.
No, they're working on trying to find a model like that, but so far it hasn't been done.
We just don't know the answer, and I wish you'd just understand that that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Not knowing the answer means there's something left to learn. Certainty, in the absence of evidence, is in fact the source of much of the problems in the world.
When somebody like Alex Vilenkin, who is one of the premier cosmologists of our day, says all the evidence we have says that the universe has a beginning, that ought to make us pause and take that seriously. Now, that's not to say it's certain, but it is to say
it's
that the evidence
with our universe
inclines
having
on
a
that
beginning.
side of the
If
scale.
you ask me what would I bet our universe had a beginning.
You'd bet what?
I'd bet our universe had a beginning, but I'm not certain of it.
Well,
and I know that the physics.
Hold
on, that is my based on what the physics that I know. I'd say it's a more likely possibility.
Yeah, right.
But it doesn't say the universe had a beginning. It says it's likely. That is a fundamental difference that you don't understand.
Krauss, please. Any statement you make can be qualified with the prefix probably.
Because qualifications are what science is all about. We qualify our uncertainty.
That
is what makes science so good.
Okay.
There's no scientific article that contains the word probably in front of every sentence.
I have a question here. Scott